Uh, so this is the ad. This is the Paytm clone which I'm going to show you. So this is the landing page. Here you can set up your own download device link. So whenever user click on here, then they can download easily Paytm clone application and then they can work with that. Here you can check privacy policies, terms and condition, about us, a contact us page. So you can change the content easily from backend. So these all content is changeable from backend. Okay. After that, so here you can check some types of content, images. So here you can set up your own images, what images you want to add here. Here you can check digital wallet details like cash out, send money. So all things are working with our solutions. So you can work with that. Here you can set up your own images. Choose why we choose this solution. So we can set up these things here. Here you can check other content, how it work. Real stories, you can set up your own real story. Here you can check subscribers newsletter. Here you can check some pages. Here you can set up your own Play Store link so your user can easily download it. Here you can set up your own social media profile so it will be usable for you. Now let me show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel. Here you can check e-money statics like how much money we have generated, e-money being used, unused, or total earned from charges. Here you can check transaction statics for business, analyze this year, or we can change this. After that we have a top agents data, top customer, top transaction which had done. Here we can change the language because of this solution is a multi-language. So you can set up multiple languages in this and then it will be done. Here you can check e-money. So how much e-money is used or how many unused. You can generate e-money here. Let me generate 10,000. So see, it's unused, so it's showing here. Whenever we use balance here, then it will be show here. When we go for a dashboard, so see, here you can check how much we already generate, how much unused, how much used is there. After that we have transfer money. So you can set up you can do transfer to any customer or agent. Here you need to select the receiver, then you can send any amount. So transfer push notification fail. Okay, so we not set up any push notification, that's why it's coming, but transaction is completed. So when you go for here, then you can set check here e-money being used or e-money unused. Here you can set check. Here let me send some data to agent also, like, so let me show you these things also for you. So see, we already share some money to receiver. Here you can check receiver type like agent or customer. Here amount you can check. Here you can check your time. After that you can set up or check your transaction. Here it's a see, it's a debit figure or credit figure, cash in, cash out, what is your balance. Here you can check transaction ID, sender, receiver, debit, credit, type, balance and time, all will come here. You can easily search, you can filterize by debit or credit. After that we have a expenses transaction data which you can check here. You can filterize as well. After that if any user or agent requests for add money, then that data will come here, then you can approve that or you can check that data. After that we have a withdrawal. So whenever any user or agent requests for a withdrawal, then data will come here, then you can approve that. So all data will come in a pending, then you can approve, so it will be go directly in approval. So you can deny, then that will come in deny. You can easily data export as easily, or here you can set up your own method. With this method you can filterize. Here you can set up your own method like UPI, bank transfer and other. After that we have a agent register list. So here you can set up your own agents. So here you can add just name, email ID, phone number is mandatory, phone number, gender, occupations, PIN, agent image, then submit. So with this detail the user can easily log in. After that here you can set up or check a list of agents. Here you can set up your you want to watch, you want to edit, then you can do it as well. If I click here, then I can check the details, I can check the transaction, I can check the logs. Here if any user register from front end, then request come here, then you can approve that, then it will be live. After this we have a merchant. So here you can set up your merchants. You need to add some data, identity, identification type, number, store name, address, bin, callback, and other details you want to set up once, then your merchant will be on board. Here you can check the list. After that we have a customer, so here you can add your customer. Here you can check customer list, or here you can check customer verification request. See, we not add any, so here you can check transaction log and other logs. After that, here you can check user complete logs. After that we have a banner, so here you can set up your own banners which will shown on front end or application, then whenever it's or is clickable also. So which URL you set up here, that that person already go with that URL easily by clicking. After that we have a FAQ. So here you can set up your FAQ. Here you can set up your purpose. Use this purpose when they said they will send money. So this is the option or drop down option, so they can select it. Here you can set up your link website, or you can set up that website on front end. Here you can send notifications, so here you check notifications which has done, or if you want to send, then you can send it. Here you just need to select customer, agent, or all, description, images, and then send. Here you can add money bonus, so title, user type, minimum, add money, limit per user, bonus type flat or percentage, bonus. Here you can set up your own add money bonus. After that we have a business setups. So here you can change your currency, which currency you are running, so you can set up your own currency. Here you can add your country, time zone, inactive or token expiry time. You can change, you can see two-factor authorization is already there. Agent self-registration enable, disable you can do. Here you can see OTP verification is there. Agent self-delete option is there. You can easily on or off that options. Customer self-delete, logo, and other things you can set up your own. After that, here you can set up your charge. Agent commission you can set up, cash out charge, withdrawal charge, send money charge. So you can set up these things. Here you can check transaction limit. So add money limit, here you can set up send money limit, or money request limit, or cash out limit. Withdrawal request limit is there. So here you can set up the limit. So like transaction limit per day, total transaction amount per day, max amount per transaction, like that. So here these types of are there which you can set up. So here you can manage from both, like customer or agent both. After that we have a SMS module. So here you can set up Twilio, two-factor, message 91, Nextmo. So these four are already working with our solution. You just need to add only server SID key token, then it will be work. After this we are using payment method. Here we are using PayPal for international, Mercado Page we have, Bcash we have, Stripe we have, Razorpay we have. So these are we are using for transfer money here for all types of transaction. After that we have a mail configuration. So here you can set up your mail here, like SMTP and etc. So it will be done for emails. So you can send email by adding these details. After that, here the notification settings. So here you can see when we need to what message we need to send, when e-money transfer message, cash in message, like that. After that, some app settings there. So here you can set up theme. So we have a theme. We have a two types of theme which showing in front end. So here this is the one, this is the second, which you are comfortable with, that you can just easily enable it. After that reCAPTCHA is there, so you can set up reCAPTCHA, then reCAPTCHA will work. Language, so we already has 4 languages, so you can set up your own multiple languages. You can delete as well, so you can set up your own languages. After this we have a system feature. So in the starting we remove banner, we remove link website, then we can if we want again, then we can single click easily enable or disable these things. Login and OTP setup you can set up here. After that landing page details, so intro, feature, screenshot, why choose that, agent registration, how it works. So these types of here you can set up your own, then it will show in front end. Then like images, like content, you can change according to your requirement. After that you can set up your own pages and media. So here you can set up your terms and condition, privacy policy, about us, social media links. Or after that here you can check merchant configurations. So here you can see Paytm OTP verification, payment OTP verification is there. After that we have a settings. So here you can set up your transaction commission. Here you can set up your contact message. Here you can, if you want to add on something, then you can add ons by developer. This is a developer option. Developer will do. Okay, so we already show you admin panel. Let me show you some agent or customer logins from to you. Hello team, so this is the Paytm clone app. So I'm showing you a agent app, sorry, client application is this. So I just log in it. So here you can see. So this is the user dashboard. Here you can check your balance. If you want to send money, then you can send money to anyone. Here you can type the name, or here you can scan QR as well. So here you can scan as well. Okay, after that we have a cash out. So here we can cash out by adding your agent number. After that we have a request money, so I can request money from anyone. So it will be go request from them, and then they can accept, and then they can complete the payment. If anyone requests you, then that request will come here. After that, here you can check linked website like Amazon or others we already added for demo. Here you can check your self QR. Here you can add or withdraw money. So here you can select the method, and then you can withdraw your money. If you click on a three dot, then you can find out the other options. So here you can check the history. Here this is the QR code scanner. After that, here you can check notification, and this is the profile. Okay, this is a home page which already show you. So here you can check transaction, or yeah, this is the add money option. So here you can add money. Like I click on a RatePay, so it will complete when we done RatePay details here. But for demo purpose, we not enable payment gateway. That's why it's failed. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, after that, here you can check profile. So if you want to edit your profile, then you can easily edit your profile. Here you can check withdrawal history. Here you can check request, all the apps of request. Here you can send request. Here you can change your PIN, login PIN. Here you can set up your language, biometrics. So you can set up your biometric. Okay, after if you want to delete account, if you want to change the mode, here you can check the support policies, or you can easily log out. So this is the customer account which I am going to show you. Let me show you agent login as well. So this is the agent applications. Okay, let me log in with the agent. So we already add account for demo purpose. Okay, now go for a PIN. I log in as an agent. So here we can see send money, add money, request money, or withdraw money. If I want to send, then I can send. If I want to add money, then I can add. If I want to request money, then I can request money to admin. So that request go from admin, and then admin can approve. Then it will be done. Here you can check. This is a cash in transaction. So admin send 100 rupees transaction, which is showing here. Okay, after that withdrawal request, so you can set up your withdrawal request easily. You just need to let me show you, like 5 rupees, please select a method. Okay, here we need to set up withdrawal method, then we go for a amount, then we can go after that. After that, here you can check a linked website, withdrawal request. Here you can check your self QR code. So this is your QR code. Here you can check your profile if you want to edit, withdrawal history, send request. So these all things are here. Okay, so this is a home page. Here you can check your history, notifications, and profile, which is your so this is your agent's data. So here you can check the agent data. If you have any other query, then let me know. We will try to solve it. Thank you.